Hey everybody, it's your friend Stu. Today I'm going to teach you a beautiful bluesy ballad called Life is Beautiful. This is written by Keb Mo. It's a heartfelt song with a great vibe to it. What I'd like to do in this lesson is take you through a beginner-friendly, easy breezy run through of all the chords. I'll offer some tips and tricks along the way, and then at the end of the video we'll play the whole song together. There's also a special lick that I'm going to teach you at the very end, so please watch to the very end to learn. Nice way to end the tune, something that Keb Mo plays. Make sure you check the links down below for the bonus content this month. There's a bonus singing lesson, how to finger pick this tune, play the melody, and also how to take a cool solo on a minor blues. Check those links in the description down below for bonus content each and every month. Be sure to click the like and subscribe button for this video. You got your ukulele in tune? Let's start learning. There are 3 parts to this song. There's the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. Let's start with the verse. It's in the key of D major, and it's just like a blues progression. We're going to have a D major chord. We're going to change to a G major chord. And later on in the verse, we're going to have this motion from an A suspended fourth to an A major chord. And that suspended fourth, all it is adding the ring finger to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, adding that to your A major chord, lifting it up. That's a nice chord embellishment. So let's start with a nice gentle strum. Take it slow. Keep your strum soft and steady so you can focus on the change. First note we sing is, let's go drifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Let's go drifting through the trees. Let's go sailing on the sea. Change to G. Let's go dancing on the juke joint floor. Back to D. Leave our troubles all behind. Here we go. Have a party. 2, 3, 4. Right there, I added a little space at the end of the verse to let the listener know a change is coming. And that change is the pre-chorus. Let's get into it right now. It starts on a G, and the next change is probably the trickiest part of the tune, changing from a G to a B flat. Now, when I'm changing this, I put all my attention on the middle finger. See how it's on the 2nd fret of the 1st string? Now just pivot and find it right there. In previous lessons, I shared the fretting tip of let go, leap, and then land. Tried making this change cleanly, just 3 times in a row. But instead of doing it quickly, play it slowly so you can feel that relaxed moment in between each chord. So, starting on the pre-chorus, here we go. The first note is so easily forgotten, B flat. The most important things, back to D, like the melody of the moonlight in your eyes. And right there, I changed from D to the B flat. The B7. Now you can play that B7 in this easier way. It's also a different voicing. It's a nice sound. 4th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open. After that, the next change, really lovely chord. We're going to slide this middle finger down from the B7. We're going to slide it down to the 2nd fret and add the ring finger up top for an E minor 7. Now, I recommend using the middle finger and the ring finger because right after this, and a song that lasts forever, what we're going to do is hop those 2 fingers up to that A sus4. Keeps getting better all the time, right? So that's why I was recommending the middle finger and the ring finger, because they're common, right? The common fingering makes that change so much easier. We've got just one more section to go over, the chorus, and then we'll play the entire tune together. If you're enjoying this lesson so far, do me a huge favor, reach out, click that like button and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Every like, every comment, every share really helps this channel to grow. So I hope you'll leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, what your requests are for future songs, any questions you got. I love hearing from you in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Let's keep on going. And now we arrive at the chorus. There's going to be two new chords. We're going to have a B minor chord that's barring at the 2nd fret, adding the 3rd finger to the 4th fret. And there's also going to be a G minor chord that's open, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 1st fret. Let's go through it nice and slowly. Of course, at the end of this video, when we play the whole song, we'll pick it up a little bit. You'll see me fingerstyle and put a few embellishments in. Let's practice it starting on D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Life is beautiful. Life is wondrous. Every star above shining just for us. Life is beautiful on a stormy night. Somewhere in the world, the sun is shining bright. And you can put this little suspension at the end of the chorus to really drive the listener's ear back to the verse. All right, we have played all the parts. We are ready to play the entire thing all the way through. Please check the links down below for bonus content each and every month that I create for Ukulele Zen members. It's a very low-cost way of supporting this. If you want to support this channel with zero cost, all you have to do is reach out, click that like button, subscribe to this channel, and please share this video with a friend today. All right, friends, let's play the whole song together. We'll do it a little bit faster. You'll notice that I'll be finger picking and adding some embellishments here and there. Let's set it up on a D major chord. 1, 2, 3. Let's go drifting through the trees. Let's go sailing on the sea. Let's go dancing on the juke joint floor. Leave our troubles all behind. Have a party. So easily forgotten. The most important thing, like the melody of the moonlight in your eyes. And a song that lasts forever, keeps getting better all the time. Life is beautiful. Life is wondrous. Every star above shining just for us. Life is beautiful on a stormy night. Somewhere in the world, the sun is shining bright. Well, I get crazy, so afraid I might lose you one fine day, and I'll be nothing, just a tired old man. And I don't wanna be without you at the party. So easily forgotten the most important thing, that I love you, I do, and I wanna spend my days and nights walking along this crazy world with you. Here comes the chorus. Life is beautiful. Life is wondrous. Every star above shining just for us. Life is beautiful on a stormy night. Somewhere in the world, here we go. The sun is shining. Stay on G minor. The sun is shining. Next one. The sun is shining bright. Here's that lick. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. As promised, here is the final lick. It's not only a clever way to end the song, but it is a blues lick that you can use. And you can take this material, this lick, and twist it and turn it and ad-lib it and make it your own. This is what I'm playing. 8, 9, 5. That's the first part. That alone is a cool blues thing. All right, but right after that, hop down to the second string, 7, 5. Make sure you repeat it, but offer some space. Give your hand a chance to rest, your brain and body to absorb the material. Right after that, you're going to slide this middle finger from 5 to 6 and go back to that 5th fret, 2nd string. That's a bluesy thing right there. All right, so we have this, this, and right after that, this middle finger hops down to the 2nd fret for the root. Why the middle finger? Because immediately afterwards, you're going to play a B flat. Hop down to the A, back to your D. So that is the lick. I really appreciate you watching all the way to the end. Please share this video with a friend. Leave a comment down below. Click that like button. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. And I look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Keep jamming. Wishing you and your families good health. Many blessings. Life is still beautiful.